how to add Payoneer card or any other card on your bybit or Binance or any other card on your Apple wallet. For example, you can see I have the bybit and Payoneer. For example, I have to add Payoneer card to my Apple wallet. Press on Payoneer and you have to sign in. Once sign in is complete, it's need a approval, so just give the approval for this form. So once done, here you can see it's now loading. Once approved done, here you can see it's showing with the card number as well. And if you make sure this is your card, then press on continue. And here you can see your card details. Add this card later, or if you want to add continue, then press on continue or press on continue. And agree the term and condition, and card add successfully. Here is it. And complete verification later, press on continue. Now here you can see your card is showing like that. If you want to see, if you see this complete verification, just complete this verification to smooth payment as well. So that's it. Thank you. Don't forget to thumbs up. Have a good day.